Dominique, no, they're gonna ruin your day. No, don't get them. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you're new here, please make sure that you are subscribing to my channel and like this video if you liked it. All right, y'all, so for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my summer designer luxury sandals and just giving you all an update on how I like these sandals. I did mention 2 out of the 3 that I'll be sharing today in a video prior to, so if you haven't seen that video, feel free to check it out. I'll leave it up in the cards up above for your convenience and also in the description box. So I wanted to just give you all an update on these sandals and kind of share my experiences with them, whether I like them, love them, or I'm just like, I am over them. There's one in particular that I'm just like scared to put my toes in. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first pair of sandals that I want to share with you are my dioract dad sandals. Here they are in this cream color. This is in a size 37.5. As you can see, it has a Dior label right there on one of the Velcro straps. And it's in this beautiful, beautiful cream color. And it's such a beautiful contrast between my skin tone on my feet. And y'all, these are a 10 out of 10. So the leather is made out of lambskin and it is just an amazing pair of dad sandals. They are so comfortable on the feet. I can stand around in these for hours. It does not matter. The only thing I can say is that if I moisturize my feet and the bottom of my feet are a little slippery, then it is going to be very difficult for me to move around in these sandals. But I believe that's like with any smooth sole type of sandal, so that's not an issue. And the cute little Dior logo on the Velcro strap, just like a hint of luxury, you know what I mean? And when I wear like long pants with these sandals, you can't even see the Dior logo, so if you're worried about it being too flashy, that's not something you should be worried about at all. And I love that the detailing is gold hardware. It's just, this is a sandal. This is a very fun, nice, cute dad sandal, and I'm so glad that I bought these. They do come in a plethora of colors like baby blue, yellow, black, and pink if I'm not mistaken. I've worn them a few times before, and the Christian Dior label at the where the heel is has not worn off yet. This is the sole. Like I said, I've worn them a few times before. So yeah, I will say though that the bottom does get a little dirty, but I literally just wiped it off with warm water and it wipes clean off. You don't need like soap, a lot of soap or anything like that. This is the front of the sandal. It does have like a little bit of scuffing. It does have a little bit of scuffing, and then this is it on the side as well. I do have a scuff right here, if you can see it. Like right in the front, somewhere in the front. I do be tripping in these sometimes, but maybe that's just because I don't know how to walk for real. I did have like a few other scuffs, but like I said, with some warm water and a cloth, I just wiped it right off and it's pretty much brand new. Other sandals together, and they are just an amazing pair of dad sandals. So easy, really casual, but you can also like dress it up. I recently had wore them out with a pink like baby doll dress that I got from Target with these sandals and everything. I wore it with like this crochet top that I got from H&M with some denim shorts and a Telfar bag. So easy, so simple, but still like just like a little pizzazz, you know, with the sandals. But yeah, that's how I styled those sandals. And like I said, I'd give them a 10 out of 10. Got them from Neiman Marcus. Comfortable as ever, and I would definitely repurchase them if I had to. Okay, y'all, so the next pair of sandals are going to be my Gucci sandals, Gucci slides. Here they are in all their glory. Very cute sandals, like, so well made, honestly. But these hurt like nobody's business. Nobody's business. Gucci, I don't know what y'all thought y'all were doing when y'all made these. But let's revisit that. Let's revisit that. Because they hurt so bad. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I remember when I first mentioned these sandals in a previous video of mine, I said something along the lines of like, but I would assume that these sandals are going to be a little tough to break into just because they're heavy, like I said. And so I'm prepared for that. Girl, I was not prepared. I was not ready for that. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. These, I would not repurchase these at all. I would never. Well, actually, I didn't buy them with my own money. These were gifted to me. But I would not go out and buy these No, ma'am. These are not comfortable, and they're so hard to break into that it makes you just not want to wear them. Like I'm even scared to just wear them to like Publix to go grocery shopping because I don't want my Publix is where shopping is a pleasure. Like, I am not trying to wear these. I will leave in like 3 seconds. I don't even think I can make it downstairs to my car in these sandals. These are very uncomfortable. They're really heavy. And I thought I found a way to make these bearable. You can move your feet up slightly in them so that way the leather straps are not sitting at an uncomfortable position on your foot. But y'all, it's a no. I would not recommend these. I believe that they would be great as far as wear and tear is concerned just because of the canvas material. I've only worn these maybe like 5 times max, and it's a no. Okay, look at the sole. It's a no. Like, no, they just hurt really bad, y'all, and they're not worth the money, I don't believe. I mean, okay, let me say this. They're worth the money, they're just not comfortable. And when I say that, I mean, I feel as though they are well made and the material is really nice and the leather is really nice, but it's just not comfortable. I'm very disappointed because I thought I was gonna have a lot of fun with these sandals. No, ma'am. No, babe. Like, every time I think I want to take them out the box to wear them, just to wear like really casually, I'd be like, Dominique, no, they're gonna ruin your day. So yeah, sorry Gucci, not those sandals. 0 out of 10. I would not recommend them at all. There are some Gucci clogs that I do have like my eye on, but not really. I just like them on other people, but I'm not like fiending to get them. So, you know, I do really like those Gucci clog sandals and I think they're super cute, especially the women's versions. They have a thicker heel and they are super cute and very, very casual, but if I could, I don't know. No, don't get them. And surprisingly enough, my Gucci slides are not hurting me, y'all. Like I broke them in. Why am I so loud? Last pair are going to be my favorites. They are the Marni fussbett long calf sandals. Y'all, my favorite pair of sandals. I absolutely love wearing these out. The comfortable level, 100 out of 10. They're so comfortable. Depending on what you're walking on, they might be a little bit slippery, but for the most part, they're so comfortable. I get a lot of compliments when I wear them out. And they're just so amazing. I got these off of Essence's website. They were on sale. They were running a sale at the time. And I still believe at the time that I'm filming this video that they still are on sale. So check out the link listed below for not only these, but for the other 2 sandals that I talked about. But these are my favorite out of the 3. They're just so comfortable. I can't stress that enough. I don't think these are going to be difficult to take care of over the years to come. I don't see any shedding. There's no shedding on these sandals. Everything is stitched really well. No like loose thread hanging out. No like extra glue or anything, y'all. They're just 100 out of 10. And I would absolutely recommend these. Okay, so my regular size is a 37. I wear size 7 in women. And I believe a 37 is the European size for a US 7. But for dad sandals, I usually go up half a size. So these I got in a 37.5 just because the way dad sandals work. Like, dad sandals have a tendency to push your foot forward and leave space in the back. So that's why I like to go up a half size. So I got these in a 37.5. Got my Dior dad sandals in a 37.5 as well. And then I got my Gucci sandals in a size 5, which is my true size when it comes to boys. It's really giving, I like you, have a cupcake. I like you, have a cupcake. Like, that's really what it's giving, bro. Like, okay, let me stop joking around. Marni, I'm definitely giving it 10 out of 10 for those sandals. Dior, I'm giving it a 9.5 out of 10 just because the bottom can get scuffed easily and it does get dirty easily, but it's the color, right? So I'm gonna give it like a 9.5 out of 10. But the Gucci sandals, I'm giving them overall, and these are overall scores, I'm giving the Gucci sandals a 5 out of 10. No, I'm not. I'm giving it a 3 out of 10. And the 3 only comes into play because I like the way that they look and I like the style of them. But it's a 0. Like, comfortable wise, it's a no. They're just way too heavy. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I do hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye y'all.